With the new version, we have increased the possibilities of output into Excel file. For listing the inference line, for example, if you had EXP in the menu, when we list the inference file, you can run this action directly because it doesn't require loading the matrix. You can see that in default schedule, we still have the LST file listing all the values of the inference line, element by element, with the different position of the load, but we have also the same output into an Excel file. So you can use this data directly in calculations. We have done the same for listing subfile. For example, here we have a combination, and the same if we run the action directly and we go to the default schedule directory, we can see that we have both the list file of the combination, which is a little complex maybe to read, table by table, and the same in an XLS file, so where you can also pick up the different values and use them for post-processing. Finally, we have also had this possibility in listing the different values of pre-stressing inside the tendons, so tendon fib LC, where instead of an LST file, you put an XLS or XLXX file on the output. In that case, if we go in the default schedule, you will see that the tendon.xlxs has been created, and in it you will find the stresses on the tendon for the beginning, the tension, and the end.